one more time until I score this. Strike rich on diamonds, iron, gold, and build our decked out fortress. All we need is just a bit of luck to not abort this. Running low, we can't afford this.
Hey guys, Bloomin' Planet 3 here, and today I will be rebuilding part of the village. And if you guys remember my last video, if you remember behind me, this area was just a big pit with lava in it, just like over here. But a couple of days ago I repatched it up and took away the lava, and so today my project will be to rebuild the houses that were in this area. And in order to do that, as you can see, some of the villagers' houses look like this, and then also this big house over here, which I could probably do one, but I'm probably not going to do that today. But yeah, anyways, let's get to building these houses for the villagers. And as you can see, I am grabbing the materials that I need, and so I'm gonna head over here now and start working away. And so if you guys want to know how many spaces it is 5 by 5, so that way if you guys find a village in a super fat world, you guys can add on to the villages depending on how big or small it is. And so yeah, let's get started. So the reason why I have the fence around this area is because of the lava, because I didn't want any of the villagers to go into the lava and get killed, because that's what some of them would do, is that they would go towards the lava and say, "Ooh, what's this?" And then they die, which was not a good thing. And so I'm going to be rebuilding, and then yeah, so I'm gonna not talk as much today, but I could talk, but I just gonna get caught up in building. So yeah, so this is what a villager's house looks like when it's being built. Glass pane, and then got already some villagers watching, which is pretty cool. One other item I forgot is the stone stairs, so that way they can get in. And now it's time to do the roof. What the? How did he get over? That is weird. How in the world? That is bizarre. Anyways, if you can't tell, it's starting to get dark. And all the villagers are going crazy because of it. Before I can let him in, I'm gonna place torches so it stays nice and lit. And then there you guys. There you guys go. And that is a simple villager house. Now, if you really wanted to get complicated, you could make one of the bigger houses, like either this house or this other house, which will probably be a lot simpler. And then but for today, let's just go with making more of these houses today. Block off the area because it's still being under construction. And so, if you guys are wondering what these are, those are from the beacons. And so, because I like the stuff that some of the beacons give off when you build it under block of diamonds or block of gold or block of iron, which are pretty easy to make. I'll show you guys how to make them. What you guys need is either iron igma or gold ingot and then diamond for the diamond one. And so let's just go with the diamond one, so that way it's very easy to show you. And just fill it all the way up, and that's how you make a block of diamond. And so that's how to make a block of diamond. It's very easy. Also useful too for servers. Speaking of servers, we're unable to get up our server right now because my brother got an email from Mojang saying that due to the a couple of bugs, we're not able to get up the server that we want, or the way that we want it to get up, because we tried to switch worlds, and because we made a world on creative and it was on single player, and we just recently got the 1.7.4 update for the server, but apparently because of the bugs we haven't been able to get the world switched, which is a bummer, and so we won't be able to get it up until the next update, which who knows, it will come out, and so which I hope is soon, so that way me and J-Twin can get our server up, because I've been telling people that we will have it up soon, but due to the bugs within the server, we cannot get it up, and so sorry about that. Because I know one person already is has what's the word? Join our website for it. And if you guys are wondering what our server is going to be called, it's going to be called Shadow Realms. And I can show you the website for it, which is Shadow Realms.engine.com, which is pretty much the basic website host for Minecraft servers, and that's where I joined Craft Kings along with Magic Realms, but the website for Magic Realms is down because the person that's in charge of Magic Realms does football, and so he hasn't been able to keep the server up or along with the website up, and so it is now gone. Well, at least the website is. He's trying to get the server back up, but the IPs that he's given me don't work, and I'm not sure why they don't work, but I used to love that server, but now I do Craft Kings more, and so, and hopefully on Craft Kings I can become a CMod again, but other than that, I really don't play a lot of other servers on my server list, which I have a lot of, but those are my only favorite servers, are either Magic Realms or Craft Kings, and so yeah, those are my two favorite servers right now, and so yeah. Let's see, I need a fence so I can still block off the area. And this iron golem is protecting those villagers, which there's a lot of iron golems. Even though I only have it on peaceful for now, but that's what I like to have it on, is because the zombies and skeletons and other mobs can get very annoying, especially when doing a video, and so that's why I like to have it on peaceful for my videos. And so, oops, I forgot the windows on this one. There we go. That one's complete now. Yep, the two villagers like that one, because it's simple. And so yeah, I still don't have that many subscribers yet, so please subscribe and like, and tell me what you guys would like me to do, because I know other people like to do snapshots of the new updates that will be coming up, and then also different mod reviews or plugins or etc. And so please tell me what you'd like to see me do, and then if you guys like what I'm doing so far with the village, and then also showing the Craft King server, please let me know how I'm doing. And yeah, so please like, subscribe, all that jazz, and so see you guys later.
Dungeons under here. Just the last time a group of creepers came out over there. Blew up a vein of diamonds, then chased us all out of there. A spider army dropped down from the roof into our hair. Ran back to fresh air. This ain't no lounge, you're gonna get banned, so you know. When you plan to go, when you're digging, you better listen, so you know. We're gonna show, making sure you're all prepared before you go. Digging Minecraft style. Minecraft style. Dig, 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 dig. Digging Minecraft style. Minecraft style. Dig, 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 dig. Digging Minecraft style. Sexy baby. Dig, 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 dig. Digging Minecraft style. Sexy baby. Dig, 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 dig. Back on the ground we lay in redstone through the forest.